Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and I wanted to share with you something that I found this past weekend. I was in Memphis, Tennessee for a wedding, and I was at a friend's house, and we were having a crawfish boil. I think that's what it's called, a boil. Anyway, there was piles of crawfish, but there was a cheese platter that was out, and I'm not a big cheese person, but on the platter there were pickles. So, I love pickles. And so I went and I stuck my fork into that pickle tray and I tried a pickle and I almost passed out. And I said, "What are these pickles?" And they said, "These are Wickles pickles." I'm trying my southern accent, not doing it well. Wickles pickles. I said, "Wickles pickles." I kept calling them Rickles pickles. I just thought it was a funny name. And then I said, "These are picklelicious." Okay. I'm going to tell you about Wickles pickles. These are the original ones. They're sweet and hot. So they're like, imagine a cross between a bread and butter pickle and a spicy pickle. And you see a little pickle dancing with the pepper. And they're incredible. Like, I was so excited that while I was there, I one-clicked the pickles. So by the time I landed and got home, there were 6 jars of Wickles pickles waiting for me. I got them on Amazon. So worth it. They do have more sugar than regular pickles. So 4 slices, 30 calories, but totally worth it and so incredible. And my new obsession, Wickles pickles, you must get them. We're going to put a link up. Okay. Till next time, chew the right thing.